Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now I want you to close your eyes for just a second, or maybe just imagine this with me. Picture a future where Poland, the heart of Europe, isn't just surviving, but thriving. A future where the air is cleaner, the energy is cheaper, and the very foundation of the economy is built on something green, something sustainable. For decades, when you thought of Poland's energy, one word probably came to mind: coal. And for good reason. It powered the nation, fueled its industry, and shaped its history. But what if I told you that a silent revolution is happening right now, transforming Poland into a green energy powerhouse? A transformation so profound, it's set to rewrite not just Poland's future, but potentially Europe's too. Stick with us, because today we're diving deep into Poland's audacious bet on green energy and why it's a game changer you absolutely need to know about. And hey, while you're imagining that cleaner future, do me a quick favor, hit that like button if you're excited about Poland's potential, and let me know in the comments, what does a green Poland mean to you? Now, let's be honest, Poland's energy journey has been a long and complicated one. For generations, coal was king. It provided energy independence, jobs, and a sense of national pride. But as the world grappled with climate change and the costs, both environmental and economic, of relying on fossil fuels became clearer, Poland found itself at a crossroads. The global pressure for decarbonization was mounting, and the nation faced a monumental challenge. How do you transition away from a fuel that has been so central to your identity and economy without sacrificing growth or stability? This wasn't just about switching light bulbs. It was about reimagining the very engine of the country. Many thought it would be impossible, too slow, too expensive. But what we're seeing now is not just a gradual shift, but an acceleration, a determined push towards a future powered by the wind and the sun. So, how exactly is Poland making this incredible pivot? It's not just one big project, but a mosaic of ambitious initiatives. First up, imagine giant wind turbines, not just on land, but rising majestically from the Baltic Sea. This isn't science fiction, it's Poland's offshore wind revolution. The government has set incredibly ambitious targets, aiming for gigawatts of power from these colossal structures within the next 2 decades. Think about that for a second. These aren't just turbines. They're job creators, energy producers, and a clear signal to the world that Poland is serious about renewables. This isn't just about generating electricity. It's about building an entirely new industry, from manufacturing the components to maintaining these incredible energy farms. It's creating a whole new skill set and opportunities for thousands of Polish workers. But it's not just the sea that's powering this change. Look up. Have you noticed more and more solar panels appearing on rooftops, on fields, catching the sun's rays? That's Poland's solar boom. What's truly fascinating here is how much of this growth has been driven by individual Poles, by you and your neighbors. The prosumer model, where ordinary citizens generate their own electricity, has exploded, far exceeding even the most optimistic government forecasts. This isn't just top-down policy, it's a grassroots movement, with families and businesses investing in their own energy independence. It's a powerful example of how quickly a nation can embrace new technologies when the benefits are clear, both for the planet and for their wallets. And if you're finding this journey fascinating, please consider subscribing to the Poland channel. We're here to bring you more stories like this, diving into the heart of what makes this nation tick. And you don't want to miss our next deep dive. Now, while wind and solar are fantastic, they do have a characteristic: they're not always on. The wind doesn't always blow and the sun doesn't always shine. So how does Poland ensure a stable, reliable power supply as it moves away from coal? This is where another crucial piece of the puzzle comes in: nuclear energy. Poland has embarked on a bold plan to build new nuclear power plants. This might seem like a traditional approach, but in the context of decarbonization, nuclear power provides a consistent, low-emission baseload that can complement the variability of renewables. It's a strategic choice to ensure energy security and provide a steady backbone for the entire system. Think of it as the strong, silent partner in Poland's green energy team. But all this new energy, from offshore wind to solar farms to nuclear plants, needs a way to get to your homes and businesses. That's why massive investments are also going into modernizing Poland's energy grid and developing advanced energy storage solutions. Imagine a smart, resilient network that can efficiently distribute power, store it when there's a surplus, and release it when demand is high. This isn't just about wires and substations. It's about building the nervous system of a completely new energy economy, capable of handling the demands of a modern green future. It's a huge, often unseen but absolutely critical part of this transformation. So, what does all this mean for Poland's economy and its standing in Europe? Well, it's not just about cleaner air, as wonderful as that is. It's about a profound economic transformation. Poland is rapidly becoming a clean tech manufacturing hub. Did you know that a significant portion of all lithium-ion batteries made in Europe are produced right here in Poland? This isn't just a coincidence. It's a result of strategic investment and a skilled workforce. The country is also developing a heat pump valley and expanding its production of wind turbine components and solar panels. This isn't just importing green tech, it's making green tech, creating thousands of high-value jobs and positioning Poland as a leader in these crucial industries. This green energy bet is also leading to increased economic competitiveness and significant savings. By reducing its reliance on imported fossil fuels, Poland is saving billions, money that can be reinvested into the economy, into schools, into healthcare. It's boosting energy security, making Poland less vulnerable to global energy price shocks and geopolitical instability. Think of the peace of mind that comes with knowing your nation controls its own energy destiny. And for the everyday Pole, it means the promise of more stable, potentially lower energy bills in the long run. These aren't just abstract numbers. These are real benefits that will touch every household and every business. And let's not forget the global impact. As Europe strives to meet its climate targets, Poland's rapid embrace of green energy positions it as a key player, a reliable partner, and an innovator within the European Union. It's a story of resilience, ingenuity, and a nation looking confidently towards a sustainable future. Of course, challenges remain. Phasing out coal completely is a monumental task, and the sheer scale of grid modernization required is immense. But the momentum is undeniable, and the vision is clear. So, as we wrap up, I hope you can see that Poland's green energy bet isn't just a political talking point. It's a real, tangible transformation happening right before our eyes. It's a story of national ambition, smart investment, and the power of people to drive change. This isn't just about Poland catching up. It's about Poland leading in many aspects of the green revolution. What do you think about Poland's green energy future? Are you optimistic? What changes have you seen in your own communities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I always love reading your insights. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on Poland's incredible journey, and check out the links in the description for more detailed resources on Poland's green energy initiatives. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.